Hello YouTube. This is going to be a short video because I said I was going to do one today, and hopefully my phone don't shut off again because that's what it likes to do out here in this heat. This is going to be another CCI video. The CCI quiet ammo. We're going to see which one's quieter. This Heritage 22 versus this Ruger SR22. Now, all you guys are going to do is listen and tell me which one you think is the louder one and which one's the quieter one. We're going to start with the Ruger. I hope if I cock it. That's pretty loud, if I do say so myself. And this is the reason why you don't use CCI quiet ammo, because they don't have enough powder to make the big booms, and it jams every single time. Now we're going with the Heritage 1022. Try that again. I think it's about the same myself. I could be wrong. And we're out of ammo. Now we will go back inside and show you what else I had that my son got me for my birthday. But my birthday ain't until August 31st. So we're a bad habit family of doing things early. Hey, D9's on the computer. Let me mute this for a minute so that
it's Friday.
Okay, now he's paused or muted. It's still playing. It's alive. But this is what my son got me for my birthday. It's a leg holster for my 45. It is awesome. Got the... It's hard to do this with this one hand. It's got a extra ammo thing up here in the front. 45. Everything's all awesome. Yeah. Anyway. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe. God bless. #KeepItCountry.